Welcome to Library Kits Unboxed, where we unbox kits available at the North Dakota State Library. My name is Tammy Kruger. I'm the literacy specialist, and our kit for today is the book club kit, Between Heaven and Ground Zero. This is a memoir written by Leslie Haskin. She was a survivor of the September 11th attacks. She worked on the 36th floor of the North Tower of the Trade Center. This book is about survival and faith and reprioritizing your life. A little bit from the book. All right, September 11th, 2001, 8:43 a.m. A few sips of coffee later, I decided to go over to my assistant's desk for some quick answers. I knew from the night before that a problem with one of our major policyholders needed resolution. The idea was to appease my need to be in control and to get an explanation short and simple enough so as not to complicate my breakfast. We traded pleasantries and got to the problem at hand. In mid-sentence, suddenly and without warning, the building shook violently and thunder came from within. It swayed back and forth slowly for a few seconds, as if riding a calm wave, and then stopped. It paralyzed any fair semblance of time. From that precise second, time was both accelerated and suspended. Each book club kit comes with 10 copies of the book, a sign-in sheet, and discussion questions. More information for book club kits can be found on our LibGuide under NDSL kits, and these can be checked out through Polaris. Thank you for joining us at North Dakota State Library for Library Kits Unboxed. Until next time, happy learning, reading, and creating.